5 healthy seasonal fruits.
We all want to live better. From exercises and diet to dealing with life issues like relationships and stress, you'll discover useful, down-to-earth information. It's all about wellness on a wide range of topics to bring you a healthy life.
They aren't just tasty, but provide a powerful health benefits too. Nutritionists often recommend eating meals that have a rainbow of colors. That's because the compounds that give plants their beautiful hues are phytochemicals that boost health by acting as antioxidants, squelching free radicals that can cause cell damage. And there's really no tastier way to make your diet more colorful than to eat several servings of fruit each day. In addition to antioxidants and fiber, fruit is an excellent source of potassium and other nutrients that make it good for overall health. And the ones in season now are among the most nutritious. So let's first talk about apples. Although the flesh isn't colorful, apples contain phytochemicals called flavonoids, mostly in the peel. There is a lot of evidence linking flavonoids with reduced inflammation, which is related to a lower risk of diseases like cancer, heart disease, and dementia. In a 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Jacques and his colleagues looked at the diet of 2,800 people 50 and older for 20 years. They found that those who ate the most flavonoids had a 50% reduction in dementia risk compared with those who ate the least. So here's some eating tips. When you cook apples, you bring out a different flavor and texture, slicing and baking them with a little butter and cinnamon, then using them to top cereal, ice cream, or yogurt. Or pan-sear slices, then roast them with chicken or pork. The next fruit is the clementines. Each little fruit has 131 milligrams of blood pressure controlling potassium and 36 milligrams of vitamin C. Like other citrus, clementines contain a lot of water, making them very hydrating. And here's your eating tips. Clementines are delicious on their own, but they can also be tasty combined with roasted fennel as a side dish or in a salad of bitter greens such as arugula and kale. Their sweetness balances the bitterness. Dip slices in melted chocolate for a healthy dessert. Next one is cranberries. Like other berries, these are high in anthocyanins and flavonoids, phytochemicals that reduce dementia risk. Here's some eating tips. Cranberries are tart, but you can use them as flavorful contrast to sweeter fruits. Make a raw cranberry relish to serve with poultry by pulsing some in a blender with orange slices and a little honey. You can also saute them with apples or pears to use it on a yogurt or topping your oatmeal. Fresh or frozen is best. Store-bought cranberry sauces and dried cranberries can be high in added sugars. The next powerful fruit, grapefruit. Half a grapefruit provides more than half of your daily need for vitamin C. It won't ward off all colds, but there's evidence that vitamin C helps keep the immune system strong. You'll also get about 2.5 grams of fiber, which is much of it is soluble, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Pink and red fruits have the heart-healthy antioxidants beta-carotene and lycopene. But certain drugs, including some for cholesterol, high blood pressure, and anxiety, interact negatively with grapefruit, so check with your doctor first. And here's the eating tips. Try putting fresh grapefruit segments in a salad with avocado. Add salmon or chicken if you like, or combine them with roasted beets for a side dish. Broil individual grapefruit sections to bring out the fruit's sweetness. And the last one is pomegranates. The juicy seeds in this fruit pack powerful levels of anthocyanins and tannins, two types of antioxidants associated with heart health. But be careful about just drinking pomegranate juice. You lose most of the fiber, about 7 grams per cup, and some other benefits you'd get from eating whole seeds. So here's an eating tip. Sprinkle these jewel-like seeds into green, grain, and fruit salads, or toss them over roasted fall vegetables, such as Brussels sprouts. You can cut prep time by using packaged fresh seeds found in the produce section.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Hope this was very useful. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know you actually liked it. If you found it useful, let me know down below.